Morning guys! Welcome to my first ever travel vlog. By the way, papakilala muna ako dahil this is my first vlog. So, I am Camilo. I am a nurse here in Ireland. I've been here in Dublin for 2 years already. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Dublin Airport. And guess what? Guess where are we going? We are going to Italy. Italy, as what I said. It should be Italy. No, I don't know. Bala na kayo. And we are going to Rome, Italy, and then going to like Pisa. And we're gonna explore the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So I'm very excited. So I hope samahan niyo ako and let us explore Rome, Italy, and the Pisa. Okay? And by the way, bumubulong ako kasi it is still like 3:30 in the morning here, and maraming mga tulog na pasahero nag-aantay na kanilang flight. So I hope you will stay with me here. Look, I'll show you. Yan. Diyan, maraming mga natutulog dyan. Sa likod ko, marami rin mga tulog. So, hindi dapat tayo maging maingay. Baka makabulabog tayo. Bye! Dito na tayo sa Rome. Dumating tayo sa Rome na 9:44. Yeah. Napaaga ng 15 minutes kasi dapat 10 o'clock ang dating dapat natin. Kaya lang dahil maaga, okay lang. Para may maraming magawa. Anyway, before ako dumating dito, nag-book na ako ng train. So, dapat ang alis ng train is 11:30. Kaya dahil maaga tayo dumating dito sa Rome, nag-rebook ako. Wala namang additional na bayad. So, nag-rebook ako na mas maaga instead of 11:30, 11 o'clock ang rebook ko. So, andito ngayon tayo sa Leonardo Express train. Ganda naman yung train. Ganda, sobrang ganda. So, we're heading to the Roma train station. Yung central station nila ngayon. Central station nila dito. So, dito kayo pagdating ko doon. Bye! Hello guys! I'm here. Nasa hostel. This is Free Hostels Roma. Mamaya pa kasing 3 p.m. yung check-in eh. So, I arrived here at like 12 noon. So, mamaya pa ako makapasok ng kwarto. Sabi naman nila possible baka 2 in the afternoon ready na yung room. So, magantay-antay na lang ako. 2 hours waiting. Pero okay na rin. Para makapagpahinga na rin ako. So, ito nga pala yung patio nila. Let's see mamaya kung ano ang itsura ng kwarto. Pero, nakita ko naman sa online, mukhang maganda naman. So, and anyway, mamayang alas 4 magtutour na tayo. So, we will go to the patio and let's explore later. So, pahinga muna ako saglit dito. Bye-bye! Guys, ayun, nakapag-check-in na rin ako sa wakas. 3 p.m. ang check-in, pero alas 2 pa lang ng hapon. Pinapasok na ako kasi ready na yung room. Ako pa lang ang tao ngayon dito. This is a 6-bedded room. So, let's check it out. Okay. Ito yung itsura ng... That's the bed. Ito rin, bed din ito. Ginaganda dito dahil may para siyang pintuan. So, you have a privacy. Okay. And my bed is this one. This one. Number 3. So, okay naman. May saksakan, may ilaw. Ayan. May privacy ka talaga. And here's the window. So, fresh air. At ito ang toilet. May sarili kaming toilet. This one. At ito yung maganda sa Italy. Merong bidet bowl. So, after mong gumamit dito, after mong magbawas, lilipat ka dito for the bidet. Ang galing, no? So, alas 4 ang schedule ko for the tour sa The Pantheon. And dahil maaga pa, I guess it's 1:30 pa lang ng hapon. So, papahinga muna ako. See ya! Andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Basilica de Santa Maria ad Martires. Originally, itong building na to or itong templong ito ay isang pagan temple. Ito ay kilala sa tawag na The Pantheon, which means Temple of All Gods. This was built on the second century, and in the 7th century, this became church, a Roman Catholic church. And this was dedicated to Santa Maria and the Martyrs, or what they call Santa Maria ad Martires. Isa na itong basilika ngayon. Kilala rin ito sa tawag na Santa Maria Rotonda. At pansinin nyo, sa gitna nito, may isang napakalaking butas. According to history, on 21st of April ata, I'm not sure, when the sun rise, ang sikat nito ay sumikat ang araw dito sa malaking steel door na to, kung saan pumasok yung emperor that time. Good morning, guys. We are now on our second day here in Rome. It's already like 6 o'clock in the morning. Ako lang mag-isang gising. Anyway, our itinerary for today is we're gonna go to Pompeii. Ang meeting time is 7:30. It is now 6 in the morning. Pero before that, breakfast muna ako dito sa hostel. So, we have a toast. We have a cappuccino. And they served me juice. I don't know what is this. Sobrang tamis. Anyway, I had a nice sleep. Night sleep last night. Maganda yung hostel kasi even though marami kayo sa kwarto, like 6 ata kami, 2, 4, 6, yeah, 6 kami. Pero yung sarili mong bed, meron kang privacy kasi para siyang may pintuan. So, pwede mong isarado kahit na lakas ko humilik. Hindi ka pa rin maririnig. Saka last night, merong pa-free pasta yung hostel sa mga guests nila. Sarap ng pasta sa Italy, sobra. Pwede na! So, nagkaroon ng mini gathering ng mga nag-hostel dito. Nagkakakilala. So, parang international. Merong from Germany, Chile, France, Australia. Saan pa ba? Saan dami? Sobrang dami. Ako lang ata ang tagi-isang taga-Asia eh. Anyway, breakfast muna ako kasi matakbo na yung oras. Hahabulin ko pa yung bus after this. See you later in Pompeii.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, we are heading now to the metro, going to the meeting place kung saan kami magkikita-kita para sa Pompeii tour. So anyway, if you are planning to go here sa Rome, para hindi na kayo malito kung paano kayo magbayad sa metro, sa bus, sa tram, try to download like the app sa mobile mo, yung Ticket Appy. It is a very convenient app. You can buy your ticket there for a day, 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, or you can buy ticket like every trip. It will cost you €1.50 for every trip. Pero kung pipili ka 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours, ano lang, unlimited rides na lang. So, dito ako ngayon sa metro. Once na nakapag-download ka ng ticket apps at nakabili ka ng ticket, you will just click mo lang yung ticket na yun at lalabas yung yung QR code, at yun ang ipapresent mo sa every time papasok ka sa metro. Pero kapag bus, no need to scan. Kung like may supervisor or may parang conductor sa atin na mag-check ng ticket, you just have to present your QR code to them. Kasi kapag di ka nagbayad, you will be fined €100. So yun, ingat-ingat din. So I'm trying to find out kung saan ako papasok dito kasi I'm really bad sa mga direction. So okay, check ko lang kung saan ako papasok. Kita-kita tayo later.
A few moments later.
Yun, nakapasok na rin tayo. Tip nga pala guys, kung gagamit kayo ng QR code sa pagpasok dun sa train station, make sure sa tamang scanner yun siya ilagay. Kasi may dalawang scanner na magkatabi, Yung isa is for the payment, yung isa is for the scanner ng QR code. Baka mamaya matap nyo yung phone nyo dun sa scanner ng payment at ma-charge kayo. So ingat-ingat din. Basa-basa rin. Pag may time. Kasi minsan ako, basta tap lang ng tap. Anyway, andito ko ngayon, bababa sa train station. At aantayin natin ang train. Saan platform ba tayo? So, pupunta tayo ng Batistini. Andito na ata yung train. Ay, wala pa pala. Punong-puno yung train. So, antay tayo ng next train. Malalaman mo naman kung gaano katagal yung next na antay mo kasi here it says 3 minutes. So, wait tayo ng another 3 minutes.
2,000 years later.
That we have plenty volcanoes. It's a very seismic.
We are here in Pompeii, and this is the regional road here in Pompeii on the ancient time. And can you notice this kind of stones? Because during that time when it rains heavily, there's a big flood here, the water running so high, and they use this stone to cross over the road. We are now in the main street of Pompeii, and this street has lots of shopping. This is the shopping center of Pompeii during its time. Pompeii is so amazing. Alain mo yun. Ang tabunan itong city to nung pumutok ang bulkan. Natabunan ng 4 to 5 meter of volcanic ashes. We are here now in the bakery here in Pompeii. And I'll show you kung saan sila nagbe-bake. And this bakery is well preserved. And here it is. I don't know if you can see, dito sila nagluluto ng mga bread. And this one is the chimney. We are here in one of the houses in Pompeii. This is a huge house during that time. And this is their garden to show off their status in the society. Most of them, pinapaganda nila ang kanilang bahay. And hello guys, andito tayo ngayon sa pinakasikat na area sa Pompeii, the Roman Forum. At nakikita nyo sa likod ko, that is the natawag nilang Temple of Gods. And here, dyan naman ang Temple of Apollo. They said it Apollo, not Apollo. It should be Apollo. And here is the temple for the sacrifice of animals. They said they sacrifice animals here, like the bull, if it's raining, kasi para sa kanila, the god is nervous or the god is not on mood, so they sacrifice animals para to please their god. And if you can see these bricks, this is the original bricks dated from Pompeii period. Sa ngayon, ang daming mga tao dito, pero hindi pa yan ganun kadami. According sa mga tour guide, by next month, parang chaotic na daw. Kaya, swerte tayo. Ngayon tayo pumunta dito. So guys, according to the story, Pompeii is under the protection of their god Apollo. Pero during that time, napagod na sila sa pag-worship kay Apollo, so they turned their back to Apollo and worship another god, which is Venus. And according to the story, nung pumutok ang bulkan kung saan natabunan ang like Pompeii, sabi nila dahil pinalikuran nila si Apollo, kaya pinabayaan sila ni Apollo. That's their claim. Dito tayo ngayon sa Positano. Not Positano, but Positano. Papakita ko sa inyo in a while ano itsura. Alam mo, umakyat kami ng bundok papuntang Baguio, pero sobrang ganda. As in, sobrang ganda. See you in a while. This is what you call Positano. Not Positano, but Positano. Ganda niya. Sobrang ganda. Okay. Andito na ako sa beach. Pero wala pa rin gaganda sa beach natin. Marami lang siyang mga tourists dito. Pero mas maganda pa rin ang beach natin. Walang papantay pa rin sa beach natin sa Pinas. At pakita ko sa inyo, ba't ko nasabing gano'n? Alam mo naman, sa mga foreigner, gusto nila yung maaraw. Talagang magsa-sunbathing to mga to. Hello guys! Ay, grabe nakakapagod maglakad. We're done here, so we're gonna go back to Roma. Ay, pero maganda. Worth it. Hi guys, we just finished our tour from Pompeii. We just arrived here from where we start in Piazza del Popolo. And by the way, before I go home, pagtutour pa ulit ako. Sulitin natin yung oras. Maaga pa naman. And it's about 15 past 9. So this is ito na yung oras ng dinner dito sa Italy. And by the way, we are now in Piazza del Popolo, and I will show you an obelisk that was taken from Egypt. This is the obelisk, one of the original obelisks from Egypt. 13 silang obelisk na nandito sa Italy, and isa ito sa mga original obelisk from Egypt. This was taken about 1 BC from the command of Augustus. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. And look at the surrounding. That's it. So we're gonna go to another place and let's have a tour. So be with me, okay, for the rest of the night. See you again.